In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animation in Replit. We'll walk through using Replit's built-in prompt box to generate a smooth, modern animation. No prior setup required. By the end, you'll have an animated background with floating particles, connecting lines, mouse interaction, and a sleek dark mode look. Start by heading to the Replit website. Once you're on the home page, you'll land on the dashboard. Dashboard, which is the central hub where new projects are created and managed. You'll see the workspace area and, importantly for this workflow, a prompt box where you can describe what you want to build. Think of this prompt box as your creative brief. The clearer you are, the better the generated result. Click into the prompt box and describe your idea in natural language. Specifics matter, so instead of just saying make an animation, include the core features and the style you want. For example, you could write, generate a modern animated background using JavaScript with floating particles or glowing dots, lines connecting nearby particles, responsive to mouse movement, a dark mode aesthetic, and smooth performance. This gives the generator enough detail to set up the right files and logic. Below the chat style prompt area, you'll notice quick options that help categorize your request. Click on animation. This tells the tool you're targeting a visual, motion-focused result, helping it choose the best starting structure for your project. With your prompt ready and animation selected, press enter on your keyboard to submit. Replit will begin assembling the project right away. You'll typically see files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript appear, along with any setup it needs for a canvas-based effect. A preview area usually spins up automatically so you can watch the result as soon as it's ready. Give it a moment to generate. Depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the prompt, this can be very quick. You'll start to see the particles appear and move, lines draw between nearby points, and the animation react when you move your mouse. The dark background helps the glow and motion stand out, and smooth performance is handled by efficient drawing and animation loops behind the scenes. Once the process completes, take a look at the preview to appreciate what's been created. If the animation appears, that means the generation finished successfully. Replit typically saves changes automatically, so you can revisit and explore the code later without worry. That's it. You went from idea to a working animation using Replit's prompt-driven workflow. Open Replit, describe your animation, select animation, press enter, let Replit build, and wait for the finished preview. Enjoy experimenting with your new animated background.